Hi everyone. Welcome back to Medi Lab Health. Most health advice you see online is made for everyone. But your body is different, and that's where AI can really help you. Then explain it in easy terms. AI looks at your daily habits like how much you sleep, what you eat, how active you are, and even your past health records. Then it finds patterns and gives advice that actually fits your lifestyle. And the best part is it keeps learning and improving your plan over time instead of staying the same. Now here's exactly what you should do from scratch. First, for the next 3 days, track simple things. What time you sleep and wake up, how much you walk, what you eat, how much water you drink, and how you feel during the day. Second, put this into clear notes with numbers if possible. Third, go to an AI tool and type a clear request like, make me a simple weekly health plan to improve my energy, sleep, and fitness based on this data, then paste your details. Fourth, take what it gives you and turn it into small daily actions like sleep at 11 p.m., walk 8 to 10,000 steps, eat a protein-rich breakfast, and actually put these into your daily routine. Fifth, set reminders on your phone so you don't forget. Sixth, after 1 week, come back, update your data, and ask the AI to improve your plan based on what worked and what didn't. That's how it becomes truly personal. Keep it realistic and don't try to change everything at once. And if anything feels too serious or confusing, check with a real doctor. Start small, stay consistent, and let AI guide you step by step.